This video I would like to share to all of you about how to make house with 7 and 7 meters. First of all, you have to select the rotated rectangle. You can adjust the size around 7,000 and 7,000 millimeter about the width, so you can adjust it. Then you have to push it up around maybe 200 millimeter, and then you can make it group. And after that you can adjust the plan. You can adjust the basic wall with a tape measure tool. It's around 4,000 and 4,000. Okay, you can see it, and then you can set the terrace area around 1,000 and 1,000. You can see this. If you want to add more larger terrace, you can add it with 1,500. Then you can delete some unnecessary line, and after that you can set the wall with line by following the guideline. By following the guideline, something like this. You can see the video, and then you have to offset it. You have to offset it inside 150 millimeter. And then you have to erase it, and then after that you have to push it up until it's around 3,000 millimeter only. Then you have to make it group, and after that you have to make a roof, basic roof in from corner to corner. Then you have to push it up around maybe 1,000 millimeter also. And then you have to make a line. Then you can set the sloping roof with this line. Anyway, it's just a sample. It's just a technique how to draw it. You can learn for more standard for the sloping of the roof. Then you have to push it until it clear, something like this, and then just make it group. And after that you can set the wall glass. You can set the wall glass, or you can set the column in this area with any size of the column, and just push it up and just make it group anyway. And then you can make a folded door anyway from this area by using a line from this to this, and then you have to divide it. Okay, you can divide until 3 segments. And then you have to make a rectangle. Then you have to drawing like this, and just offset it inside. Maybe it's around 40 millimeter. Just erase it, and then you have to push it to the back 40 millimeter also. Then you have to make it group, and then you can use a rectangle again to make a glass anyway. Okay, then make it group, and then you can select a glass to assign a material as well. Okay. So you can set the opacity or the color of this glass anyway. Then you can set the color of door frame with the color itself, with using this color, for example. Then you have to make it group. You have to make it group and make it component. Just create it. Okay, and after that you can rotate it. You can rotate it something like this, and you can move to the left, and you can rotate it also with the rotate tools, and you can set the position. So you can set this position in this node. Okay, you can adjust it. This is for door improvement. Okay, then you have to make it simple as possible to make your door size. So when the construction are ready, you can get the efficient and effective for dividing for assign your door size anyway. Then this has a space you can only adjust with at this wall to make it more effective. So you don't need more to make a different size of the door. It would make you effective in construction anyway. And after that you can adjust it. You can make it you can make it for open condition. In open condition you have to make it and press control and just rotate it with rotate tool, something like this. Then you can move it on the left side also, so you can see it. Okay, you can position on it and make sure that these wall are in the same position of in this wall. Okay, you can move the door frame in this area, in this intersection. Okay, and then you can make an additional landscape of the house to make it more representative and look more interesting anyway. You can make a L-shaped rectangle, and then you can add a variation of the floor with maybe with a cladding. You can select this cladding, and you can adjust the texture of the material of the terrace. Okay, you can adjust the position and rotate, and adjust this rotate. Okay, so you can see it, and you can add grass element anyway. With the rectangle, you have to select a size, select a scale to adjust. Select a scale to adjust the landscaping. So you can see by the material. Then, and after that, you can make more window opening right here. Be something like this. Then you can follow the step. You can use a rectangle, and then you can offset it inside around 40 millimeter. Then just raise it, and then you have to push it to the back until 120 millimeter. Then you can draw the window leaf, and offset it inside until 60 millimeter of the frame. Then you have to push it to the back until 40 millimeter. You have to make it group, and just you have to make a glass component in this object, so you can select the dark material to make a frame, and then you can adjust the material of window. Okay, and after that you can make a roofing with a roofing material like this, and you can select this, and you can adjust it about the color. You can adjust about the color in RGB option. You can move it to the left side at all. Then you have to adjust the brightness and darkness of the material itself. Then you can select another material to you can select another material to adjust the exterior material anyway. Maybe you can select siding. Then you can select this. Just for example, so you can adjust it by yourself. So you have to move this line, you have to move this single line, and just press move, and then just move and position on it. Then you can adjust it by yourself. Okay, I focus on exterior, on this corner side, corner angle only. So you can improve your skill to set the another angle by yourself anyway. So you can adjust the color of the house exterior, and then you can adjust the lower concrete texture anyway, and that's it. You can add more component by using the component tools. You can add more component in the component sampler. You can adjust, you can set the tree, this tree, you can, and then you can set the material. You can select the component again. Okay, maybe you can set the no, it is just outdoor material. This is indoor material. I mean that you can add this to make sure it's scalable for you. Then, or maybe it could be a dining area in here, and you can adjust the material of the tree. So you can see it, and then you can move it to another side anyway, or maybe it's just for one material only. Okay. And then you can make a different style of this material, and then you can delete some unnecessary line right here. Okay, I think that's enough. This is enough. Thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.